Back with another DIY to girl Nicole Washington. I'm gonna remix my old clothing into a super cute summer outfit. All right, so here's the setup. I have this bodysuit, no longer fits. It got a hole in the crotch. And then I have this pair of scrap denim that used to be a full-length pants. But first we're gonna start with the bodysuit. I cut it to make it into a crop top. And now I'm punching holes on the bottom perimeter because I want to add some chain links to them. First, I'm going to attach this little hoop thingy, and then I'm going to hang the chain link from that. And make sure that your chain links are all the same length. So you have to like count how many links on each chain. So here's what it looks like when it's all done. Super easy. It took like, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes. All right, so now let's get started with the skirt. Because these used to be men's pants, I have to pin it to figure out how it will fit my body. And so I'm also using chalk to figure out where I'm gonna cut at. And this is what it looks like in the end after I've cut it. And so now what I want to do is clean it up because I want the pockets to remain. As you can see before, when I cut the sides, I also cut the pockets. And so I'm just sewing the pockets back up in any other area that needs to be cleaned up. So here we have two sides of the skirt. And what I'm going to do is use the hole puncher again to punch holes down each side of each skirt half because I'm going to add grommets to the sides of the skirt. And the grommets are where I'm going to lace up the skirt, but it's also a really cute detail. So here I'm just showing you how to assemble the grommets on the skirt. You want to put one half of each of the grommet on each side of the hole, and then you use the little tool that comes with the grommets to pound it in. And this is what it looks like after you've pounded it in. So you have to do it a couple of times to get used to it. So maybe use some fabric to practice. But this is what it should look like after you've placed all of the grommets. And now I'm going to use one shoelace for each side to lace the skirt. Here is the final look. I am super excited how this came out. Such a cute summer outfit. And I didn't even have to go out and buy brand new stuff. I used old clothing, an old pair of men's jeans that my husband was going to throw out, and an old bodysuit that no longer fits.